How to update your email address in the Fantasy Premier League app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can switch or update your email address in the Fantasy Premier League app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Fantasy Premier League app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon which can be seen in the bottom left side of the screen. And once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to your profile section. Now here at the top right, you can see the option labeled as My PL Settings. So simply tap on it. And after that, you can just tap on My Account. And here under My Account, you can simply tap on the option labeled as Update Email Address. And once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the page where you need to enter your new email address. Now here look for the section labeled email address, and here you can simply tap on it and enter your new email address. And here once you're done entering the email address, just tap on the password under that and simply enter your new password. And once you're done with that, you can just tap on confirm password, and after submitting you simply have to check your new email inbox for the verification link. So you just have to tap on it to confirm the change, and don't forget to check your spam folder in case if you don't say it right way. And once verified, you can go back to your FPL account and make sure everything looks good. And once you do that, your email will be updated. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.